Hello, America, and yes, the rest of the world, wherever you are, okay? Now that the elections are done, and I'm no more building the wall, I have brought to you the best and the easiest chicken kebab recipe that I picked up while on my trip to India. So come everyone, let's make home cooking great again. So the ingredients that we are going to use for this recipe are 5 to 6 pieces of garlic, 2 mid-sized onions, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons coriander powder, half a teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half a teaspoon green cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, half a cup gram flour or besan, 2 tablespoons oil, and 2 pounds of chicken mince. Let's cook, guys. So first of all, we're going to mix and grind the onion and the garlic in an America-made mixer grinder. The best in the world, okay? This was gifted to me by my American uncle. So we mix them and grind them really nice, very fine paste, very beautiful, to make sure that no big chunks of onion and garlic come in the kebabs while we eat them. Here the mixer is ready. Now we are going to drain the swamp, guys. Yes, I told you I will drain the swamp and I will do it, okay? So we'll take this onion garlic mixture, we'll put it in a muslin cloth and we'll squeeze out all the extra water. This is needed to make sure that the kebabs do not fall apart while cooking, okay? Otherwise they'll become very soft, right? Not like my hands, very powerful, my hands. Now we are going to put this onion garlic mixture in the mince, and then we will add all the rest of the dry masalas, all the spices, really spicy, really hot, in the mince, okay? Here you go. We put it in, then we put in the oil, alright? There you go, put in all the oil. The mince does not need democracy anymore, okay? Then we are going to mix it well, right? Make sure you mix it really well. Get in there, get your hands dirty. Dirty business, guys. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Mix it well. And then put in the egg, right? The egg that you took, put it in along with the gram flour, right? Put that also in. Mix it well. If you do not have gram flour at home, for any reason, whatever reason, you do not have gram flour, what do I do now? What do I do? You can put in the corn flour. That's fine. It's fine. Yeah, and mix it well. Okay, make sure you mix it well into a homogeneous mixture so that the mince has the same taste everywhere. Be it Texas, be it New York. Doesn't matter. Same taste. There you go. The mince is ready. Now we are going to make kebabs out of it. In order to make kebabs, I first apply some oil to my hands, right? Really powerful hands, most powerful hands. I've got the finger on the button. Put some oil and take small amounts of mince and roll it like this in your hands, right? Move your fingers, guys. Yeah, move your fingers. I'm the guy who does this the best in the world. I'm the best in the business anyways. Yeah, I'm the best. I'm the POTUS. There you go. You make it really nice, round, circular, spherical balls, and then pat them from the top so that they're not too thick, right? They're not too thick. It's easier to cook it that way. And then our kebabs are ready to be fried. Cook the kebabs, turn on your gas, put the frying pan on it. I've taken a deep frying pan. You can take a flat one, that's fine. Put in some cooking oil on it, okay? That's it. Not gasoline, cooking oil. Wait for it to turn hot, okay? Put the gas on medium, high. And when your cooking oil is hot, when your pan is hot, put in the kebabs one by one. It's a very simple recipe, guys. You can make it at home. Not a problem. There you go. Just put them in. and let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Doesn't need much time. It's very simple. Once 3 to 4 minutes are done, flip the kebabs and cook them on the other side also for 3 to 4 minutes. It's very simple. Yeah. You see that golden brown sheen? By the way, gold is my favorite color. I'm the Donald. It means that kebabs are ready on this side. Just cook them for 3 to 4 more minutes. And once they are ready, flip them one more time to make sure that they are all cooked on all sides. And take them out. There you go, your kebabs are ready. You may be wondering, where did the 5th kebab go? Well, I had to give it to Don Jr. He was hungry. He was really hungry. Yeah, my son, very hungry. Yeah, beautiful boy. But there you go. Your kebabs are ready. They're ready to be eaten, ready to be served. Serve them with your favorite chutneys. Mint chutney, coriander chutney. Right? All of them are really, really beautiful. And your kebabs are ready. So please try this recipe at home. And let me and Melania know how did it come out. And please do share this video, like it, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care, and let's make home cooking great again.